it take you to reach 1 million followers?
6-7 months. One day I went to the airport, I'm standing there, so many people are coming and taking my pictures and all. And some two people, youngsters, are there standing there. They told me that Blackie, she's Kali. I said, Kali ho gaya to kya ho gaya? I'm Aruna only, that's all. The girl told me just I want to suicide, I'm so depression when I saw your reel. She told me that I feel like your mom. मुझे ना हिंदी आती, ना तेलुगु आता, ना तमिल आता, ना कन्नड़ आता, ना इंग्लिश आता. किसने बोला? Who told this is 100% right? If I know little bit, okay, I'm telling you, you're understanding, no? Then what?
If there are any mothers, if there are any homemakers who are listening to this conversation, आप क्या बोलोगे उनको push करने के लिए that you can do this?
Why you're thinking you're aged, you're becoming old? दिल तो अभी भी जवान है. अब मेरा मन कहता है तो कर डालो. मैं एक thing I want to, can I mention or not, I don't know.
Aruna ji, I am so happy to have you with us here today. And to everyone listening, this is Aruna Muchedla. She is the gran of the gram. And she is always reviving old traditions, home remedies, and kitchen hacks in her kitchen for all of us, for the Gen Z. And Aruna ji, before I start, I actually want to tell you how I discovered you and your content. So, my sister, she used to watch a lot of your reels and implement a lot of them. She sent me one of your reels, I watched it, and to be very honest, I'll tell you the first thing that I felt about you is you're so homely, so warm, so comforting. आपका content जैसे है ही नहीं. Because it used to feel like I'm sitting there in your kitchen, I'm sipping a cup of chai, you're explaining something, you are basically showing how to make something. So that whole natural side of you and the way you speak, the way you talk, I think that's very commendable coming from. So I actually want to get into it right there. How did this creator journey of yours start? How did you get into content creation? Was it all planned? Was it something that was accidental, or was it something that naturally happened for you? If you could share with us your story.
Actually, I want to say for everybody, good morning and thank you so much. You call me here. Really warm. I'm so happy. So actually, this how happened. I went to US. Actually, my mother passed away. At nearly 3 years back. That time only they started. And previously, my daughters used to tell me that, Mama, you don't know WhatsApp, you don't know Facebook, you don't know internet, nothing. Really, I don't know, what to do. I can do only one job. Whether I can cook and I can maintain my house and I can take care about this. Then what happened, when I'm coming this side, I'm losing that side. If I am doing that, I'm not able to do this. But every time they're cribbing me that ki bhai, you don't know anything about the Instagram, you don't know. They used to call me and they said, Mama, you send the photo, you go to there, you go there. That time where I will go? I don't know anything. So I'm so upset. I said, what? Yeah, I'm not even learning. It's okay, chalta hai. Chalne to kya hai? That is not very important for me. Life is very important, and what food I'm giving my kids, that only the basic is very important. Why? I learned with my mother. You can see my mother hair, my mother's skin. They never used to use anything and there is no complaint. My stomach ache, I'm giddiness, my headache, nothing. After my mother passed away, then only I realized no use. Like that. Then after that, I'm very attached with my mother. Then I'm very upset, and my daughter used to stay in US. So she called me, Mama, you are very upset. You please come here. You and Papa. Then you'll be very happy here. I said, I don't like to travel so long to US. I said, okay, anyhow, no problem, but I'm coming. This granddaughter also there. Then I said, okay, I went there. Then all of a sudden, they love my chicken fry. Actually, everybody's thinking I'm vegetarian. I'm not vegetarian. I'm a non-vegetarian. Pure non-vegetarian. We are Naidus actually. So they'll eat a lot of non-vegetarians. So I'm so hesitating when I want to put one, video. I'm I don't know how to, take that one. But everybody's asking whether you are vegetarian, auntie, like that. But I'm not vegetarian. I'm non-vegetarian only. But very less I will eat. All of a sudden, what happened? She told me my son-in-law is a doctor. And he told me, auntie, I love to have your chicken fry you can make. But in US, I'll do in the grind. I don't use the mixies and all. Only that stone one, what we say is, I don't know that in English, but
Silbatta.
सिलपट्टा था, हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं ना, लेकिन इन इंग्लिश में मेरे को याद रहता है, लेकिन सडनली वो कैमरा वगैरह ऑन हो जाता है, मैं बात करते समय ना वो याद ही नहीं आता वो क्या है बोल के, पत्थर का. सो देन मैंने सोचा ठीक है, इनका बहुत ब्यूटीफुल गार्डन था, बहुत अच्छा था, फ्लावर्स वो ये सब कुछ यूएस में, एंड ग्रेटेड कम्युनिटी समथिंग दे विल टेल ना इन यूएस में, वो ऐसा था. तो फिर मेरी बेटी को बोलने में उसने कुछ भी करके वो स्टोन वाला उसने ऑर्डर किया, वो आ गया. आने के बाद ऐसे दो कि मैं खाना बनाते, आई कुक. सो then she told me how you grind, because very little only that you can't even put in the mixer. It won't grind at all. It will be पूरा, उसको हिंदी में मैं बोलती कि छुपक जाता है totally, उसको निकालना भी मुश्किल होती है. Then I said, okay, you do it, mama. I said, yeah, what? I'm used to only. This is not great job. I can do it. तो मैं बाहर आके, I came outside and I'm doing that. Then suddenly my son-in-law saw me and he said, because he's hesitating to tell that word to don't do there. And he called my daughter and he told me, Yashvi, tell mama doesn't look nice. She's doing outside like one village only. She made it because all the clothes also I'm drying outside, the sunlight and all. I've made it one small village there. So they are very, hesitating to tell how to start this thing. So I said, okay, fine. And she called me, Amma, don't do all these things outside. I said, why? This is our own house only. This is our own garden. Whatever this we are paying rent, this thing, then why we can't do it like that? No, you don't do. If you are doing like this, I'll put it in the Instagram. I said, okay, put it, no problem. I'll take care and all. Then that become like, so many views and all. My son-in-law told me, my God, this become very, this thing, why can't you start Instagram? Like that only, slowly we started.
Wow, that's one story to think of. Perfect. And I think you've been at this for a very long time. How long did it take you to reach 1 million followers, approximately?
Very quick, I think. So maybe 6-7 months.
Okay, wow.
Within, I'm not very old also, 2.5 to 3 years only my mother passed away. After that only I started.
Okay.
So not even very long this thing actually.
And throughout all of this, we always have that support system. We always have that person who's our backbone through it all, who pushes us that you can do this, and who shoots the videos, who gives us that initial push that you have to do this, and this is how you can create content. So for you, I believe it was one of your family members based on what you say. So for you, who was that one person who was always after you to tell you that this is what you can do for a living? Who was that person?
Actually, it started my, second daughter. She's an architect, Yashvi Gupta, in US only. Even my son-in-law, Hari, he also told me that, auntie, you can do it like that. And I started. Next, I came to India. Then she take over my Dr. Riya Gupta, my fourth daughter. And she's very creativity, she will always say like that. But second thing is, I'm not at all creating something. Whatever I'm doing in the house, I don't know next what I'm going to do it. Same thing only, whatever I'm doing, I will think that, okay, yeah, ye acha hai. So this is nice. I can introduce the people, they don't know. When I used to suffer, what to do in that time, very engaged, you don't know how much rice you have to keep it, how to switch on the gas. Actually, I always missing that we have to teach the children. That is very, very important, I feel. Even nowadays, education also very important. Even the same time, that is also very important. Why, your basic, your eating, your personality, everything will come from here only.
It's a survival skill.
Yeah. That is very, very important,
Correct.
Isn't it? If you can't even eat, you're not, that strengthen your body, then you can't even stand for the study.
Correct.
I'm right?
You're right.
I feel, then I realized that one only. Before and all, I never used to cook. I don't know anything. Kitchen means, yeah, who's going to kitchen in this? I don't want to go only. Then only I realized this is very important for us in our life. So I started.
When you realized that you're such a big creator now, when was that moment that it synced in that you're famous, that you have 1 million followers, you're a big creator? What was that moment, if you could share?
Actually, one thing I can tell you, I don't know. Actually, I'm so famous. Whether 1 million means very great, I didn't even know. Sometimes I used to walk in my colony near Kashrina Drive where I'm staying. Then I'll go in the evening walking and all. They used to see me. Hey, I saw you in this. You have a YouTube. YouTuber. I don't know YouTube. I'm there. I don't know because really I don't know. Instagram means this one only Instagram. Oh, okay. I don't know anything. Then only I'll come. After I see my followers, then they told me like this, and I'll come home. And she's very busy, my daughter. I have to catch her. Then I will ask her, the people are telling, what is this? I'm not able to understand like that. So slowly, I thought, okay, something I'm doing, I'm creating, I'm telling the people, they also enjoying this moment. So I'm ready to do it, whatever I'm like, but I'm not taking my time like that off to show all these things. Whatever I'm doing in the house, you can see my vessels, my look, my dress, my background, all natural. What I'm doing there, only fat, I'll do, and I'll post. Sometimes my daughter is busy, and the stories also how to take. Now only I'm learning how to take the camera. The phone only we use. So just I will put to learn other people also. When I used to struggle, when I am angry, that time I don't know. The people won't tell also, auntie, how to do this one. Later I will tell you, not now. After that, they won't turn up and they won't tell only. I said something I know. I can, not teaching. I'm so sorry. I'm not teaching. I'm telling. If you want to take it, take it. Otherwise, no problem. That is the thing.
And so you said that you use a simple phone, you're dressed as you are, you're natural, your background is natural, your vessels and everything. There's no setup.
Yeah.
So I think today there are so many content creators who want to grow on Instagram, who want to become big or start something. But one thing that stops them is they think we need a setup, we need good clothing, we need to be professional, we need a good background, we need equipments like a mic and a camera. Do you think that's necessary?
You see, that is not at all necessary when you are starting. Your content. My mother used to tell me, ना, तुम strong नहीं है, तुम क्या बोलने के लिए जा रहे हो, वो बोलो पहले. You just explain that. Other things are secondary. That is not necessary. When you grown up, okay, you can improve yourself. Something you wanted, like I didn't see, whatever one kadai will be there, that tuta puta, no handle, nothing. I used to tell them this is no handle, yeah, better we can use like this only. What in the textiles, it will broke. When you're washing, you can comfortable when doing that one. It's not the problem at all. I feel that one you grown up and you are giving good content to the people, then after that you can do whatever you wanted.
So to start off, it's okay to start.
Yeah. I feel like that only. I learned. I'm thinking and I learned, but I can't say other people what they are thinking.
You're absolutely right. That's how everyone starts.
Yeah.
And also, I think, like I said, you give a very homely, very warm feeling like a mother. So I'm sure that there must be so many people, so many of your followers who possibly messaged you and commented on your reels. So can you tell me any one story of any specific comment or message that you received which was very heartwarming, which made you realize this is why I do what I do, or it instantly made you feel proud about what you do?
Yeah, that is, it happens so many incidents actually. Specifically, very, touched me actually. You say, like, I'm cooking. I don't know why I just open my this thing. Then one message is there. Sometimes in Hindi, वो बोलते हैं ना कि भगवान ने तुझे भेजा है ये देखने के लिए. I can't tell in English what that. So then just I'm scrolling as something, I don't know, I want to message my daughter like that. Just I saw, I am not able to stop this one. Just know I want to read this now. Because my husband has to go, I will cook everything. I will cut, cooking everything. He want to get 10:30 that time. I said, please, I requested my husband, please just wait a little bit, 10, 15 minutes. I want to read this one, then only I will go. I'll finish my cooking job. Literally, I'm telling, when I saw that message, I feel so bad, I can't even tell you. You know, that the girl told me just, I want to suicide. I'm so depression. And here I can't do anything. Just, I don't want to tell you. When I saw your reel, I said, what great in my reel? Yeah, just I'm putting only cooking or something else. What I'm doing great job in this. So then I can't even tell you, just I'm totally, my eyes is watery in that time, that moment. Then immediately I send it to her. Don't do all these stupid things. Actually, life is so beautiful. You know, a little time and whatever God has given you, you have to enjoy every moment in that. Why you thinking about that? Do something. Learn something, go out, walk and see the nature, the flowers, the beautiful greenery in London, see the mountains and all. Then you can enjoy. Then sometimes we both will conversation, voicemail only, like messages like that. Then I realized that time only, yeah, in Hindi मैं बोलती हूँ कि मैं कुछ तो भी कर रही हूँ शायद. एटलीस्ट 1000 लोगों में से, like 1000 people are there, at least one person appreciate me and taking that real, I'm so happy.
Wow. That's amazing. And when she watched your reel, so based on her thoughts that she had, when she watched your reel, what stopped her? Like, what was the whole thing about your videos which stopped her from taking a step?
Because I don't know, she told me that I feel like your mom. My mother is not here. She's some village and all. I came here to work and study and all. Immediately, I don't know, I changed my mind. That moment, even I felt, like that. Oh my God, one small thing maybe I can change, I will do. This job is not very easy. Yeah? Artist means you finish your work and you get money also there. Then finish. Here, I'm not creating anything. This is in my home, what I'm running in my house, a cooking or something, you do like this. And I want to show only like that, कि भाई, be happy. क्या हो गया, ओके हो गया, आज ये नहीं हुआ, ठीक है, नहीं हुआ, it's okay. No problem, be happy. Why you are thinking like, I should not think like Deepika Padukone, Aishwarya Rai and all. Why should I think I'm Aruna? Simple. It's okay, fine. You're happy. That's all. Why should I think always the dresses, these things, celebrities and all? Whatever you are there, you enjoy. Maybe you have so many people and your friends also. Like that, I feel always. And I will tell that only. अरे नहीं है ना आज, ठीक है, छोड़ो, पर ये हो कि नहीं हुआ, आज हम इतना बड़ा गाड़ी में नहीं जा रहे ना, चल के जा रहे. Then you can see so many people at the hi, hello, you can say, you can take nice breathe, like everything. You can see the nature, all that things.
Aruna ji, I have to say, I love your energy. It radiates. It's something so inspiring that I am feeling good about today after listening to you.
Thank you.
Amazing. And I also feel that with social media, it's not always rainbows and butterflies and positive comments. There are people who will try to pull you down. There will be negative comments or trolls sometimes, especially when you become a big creator. You face a lot of that. So have you ever faced a negative comment which made you feel uncomfortable, which made you feel hurt, and you felt that it was not so necessary and it did not really, you did not feel so happy about it? Was there ever that thing that happened? And also, how did you tackle it so that other creators who are listening, they will also be able to tackle such situations?
But so far, I didn't even, कि भाई मेरे को ऐसे कुछ भी नहीं आया था. Very rarely एक comment आया था ऐसे, उसने इंग्लिश वर्ड्स में लिखा था, ब्लैक ही काली है तू. मैं तो काली हूँ. तो मैंने फिर उसको नमस्कार एक हाथ डाल के भेज दिया.
Okay. So do you read your comments? Do you read all of your comments?
Yes, I will read. मेरे को जितना हो सकता है मैं पूरे रीड करती हूँ. फिर मैं तभी तो मैंने वो मैसेज पढ़ा था. काफ़ी लोगों का मैसेज आता, बड़े बड़े लोग, बड़े ऑफिसर्स एंड पुलिस वाले वगैरह भी. वो लोग यही बोलते, पॉजिटिवनेस आती है आपसे देख के. मेरा ये प्रॉब्लम था, मैं आते पहले खोल के मैं आपका स्टोरी में क्या डाले, कुछ भी नहीं डाले क्या, क्यों नहीं डाले, ऐसे पूछते, छोटे से लेके बड़े तक. मैं सोचती, मैं तो अरे यार क्या कर रही हूँ, जादू कर रही हूँ क्या, मैं क्या हो रहा है. लेकिन वन थिंग आई फील कि भाई ठीक है, कुछ तो मैं कर रही तो लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है, लोग एंजॉय कर रहे ना, आई फील सो हैप्पी. मैं सोचती हूँ ठीक है. लेकिन मेरे कमेंट्स अभी तक जो भी है, गॉड के ग्रेस के वजह से मैंने कभी ऐसे गंदे, और आप लोग भी देख लेना, मैंने कहाँ पे भी नहीं देखा. मगर मेरे बच्चे ने एक्सेप्ट करते, मेरे बच्चे बोलते स्क्रॉल कर देते, ऐसे बात करेंगे तो ऐसे ऐसे कर देंगे हम लोग, क्या बकवास कर रहे हो, क्या हंस रहे हो? अरे यार मैं हंसती हूँ तो हंसी मुझे आती है, मैं हंस रही हूँ, मेरा ये कोई नहीं कि आप हंसो बोले तो हंसेंगे क्या, वैसा नहीं है। मैं सब लोगों को भी बोलती हूँ, सबके घर में प्रॉब्लम रहता है, मेरे में भी प्रॉब्लम रहता है, एवरीबडी विल हैव देयर ओन प्रॉब्लम्स, इजंट इट? ऐसा नहीं कि ऐसा हो सकता है, नहीं होता वो, तो बी हैप्पी।
Amazing. So I'm sure, Aruna ji, that with being a big creator, you would be getting a lot of brand deals, a lot of opportunities to promote different products of different brands. So how do you deal with that? Do you take up every brand deal? How does it work for you?
Actually, I won't do like that, Tanish, because why, so many things when I am also there, so many brands will come like shampoo, oil, so many things it will come. Now, when you're using, you lose your hair
True.
and your face also, like. So I told you before also, my mother never used to use all the organic and natural things, only she used to use. When if somebody asking me, you promote this thing, actually some good brands also there, I'm not denying that, because I am promoting, not like that, I'm telling honestly. Honestly, I'm telling you, whether you also doing any promotion like that, I feel creators or whoever maybe influencers used to try that first, because the people will follow you, they'll take it, like that only, whatever. I don't like to promote my, so many other things are there, I don't want to mention now. My children before itself told me that, mama, don't do like this, you're so, frank and all. People maybe they don't like that, but even though whatever, the genuine, 100% is a perfect, first I will use, I will eat, then only I will say yes, otherwise I won't.
So you try before you share. Amazing, amazing. I think I've gotten a very good understanding of your journey and what it has been like. So let's move into a more a kind of a question that might help women also build something of their own. So you are so empowering at your age and as a woman doing exactly what you wish to do. So I feel, Aruna ji, that today in many Indian homes, mothers and grandmothers that we have grown up with, they have dedicated their lives to their children, to their family. They have sacrificed so much. They are always the last ones to rest. They are the first ones to wake up in the morning. And sometimes in the middle of all this, their dreams, they take a back seat. They do so many sacrifices just for their family. But I feel today, with social media and with content creation, having such easy access to Instagram, it's easy for them to also come up on Instagram to share their story, to share their truth, to probably share a recipe and grow on this platform and have something of their own. But what they feel is probably that they are too old for this, or that सोशल मीडिया तो यंग जनरेशन के लिए, तो मैं इस पे आके क्या करूँगी? बट you have proved that completely wrong. So, if there are any mothers, if there are any homemakers who are listening to this conversation, what advice would you give them? आप क्या बोलोगे उनको push करने के लिए that you can do this?
You can first, I'll give the advice, you have to be very strong, very brave, and you should not even think whether I can do it or not. That is very, very important. And next is why you're thinking you're aged, you're becoming old. Dil to abhi bhi jawan hai. I'm right or wrong? Even I feel, sometimes I want to do some pull ups, I want to do swimming, I want to rash driving like this, I want to listen, oh, music and all. Yeah, I'm also a human being. Yeah, it's okay. Age ho gaya to ho gaya. And yeah, I'm telling. I don't know why the people will think like that कि no, I'm aged, मेरा age हो गया, मैं कर सकती. अरे यार, देर होके करो. दिखाओ हमें भी, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बोलने वाले बोलते रहते हैं. द पीपल विल से इफ यू आर डूइंग गुड ऑल्सो दे विल टेल यू व्हाट शी इज डूइंग. इफ यू आर नॉट डूइंग ऑल्सो शी इज नॉट डूइंग. व्हाट विल डू? डोंट इवन लिसन एनीथिंग. वॉट एवर यू दिल बोलता है ना, बोलते हिंदी में, अब मेरा मन कहता है तो कर डालो. I feel like that only. For example, I'm telling you, my children used to tell me that don't talk, you're talking too much. Oh my God, we can't even listen you like that. They used to tell me. Maybe I used to, if I'm thinking like that, when I'm coming to the screen, I'm coming to the creator, something, I'm not able to explain because I'm so depressed whether my children are telling like this, can I tell or not? I said, I don't even care. Hey, jao yaar. Mama, ये आपका spelling है गलत था. गलत था मालूम है कि किसको ठीक है बोल के आप बोलोगे. You please tell me.
Correct.
Your English is very perfect. Mine is not. I'll agree with you. You can prove that you are absolutely right. You just tell me, no? Whether you tell me this answer, I will accept. मैं एक्सेप्ट करूंगी. मैं मुझे ना हिंदी आती, ना तेलुगु आता, ना तमिल आता, ना कन्नड़ आता, ना इंग्लिश आता. किसने बोला? Who told this is 100% right? If I know little bit, okay, I'm telling you, you understanding? No. Then what?
That blew my mind because I am always trying to be perfect, but sometimes it's okay to be natural and imperfect. That's what people will love you for, right? And with that question, I think lot of women, why they hold back is because they think कि लोग क्या कहेंगे. They are always worried that how am I looking? What will people watch my video? How am I talking? What will they say? What if my relatives watch? What are they going to feel about it? So how do you tackle that? How do you not think about these things?
You should not. I told, one day I went to the airport. I'm standing there. So many people are coming and taking my pictures and all. I request my husband also, please, 2 minutes. They wanted I don't want to disappoint all of them, whatever my followers are there. I'm very pleasured to really, I'm telling, I'm so happy. I'm standing and giving. And some two people, youngsters, are there standing there. They told me that Blackie, she's Kali. I said, Kali ho gaya to kya ho gaya? I'm black only. I'm not telling I'm very gory. Otherwise, I'm so beautiful. I'm not at all telling. Whatever I am, I am. I'm Aruna only. That's all. I didn't even feel that time. Then again, I came back in the flight. I'm telling my husband, I'm explaining, some boys are telling me like this and all. I don't even care about. If you're taking care about that, you will go to the depression or something else. I'm right. You can't even talk. If I'm stuck there, I'm giving one photo like that, then they're telling just I'll stuck there. Why the people are talking? Maybe I'm black. Hey, Poda. Get lost.
I've actually faced this so many times. So I have a thing that I cannot be soft when I speak. Even if I have a mic, I will be slightly loud. That's just how I am in person. So when I first started content creation, when I didn't know how to manage my voice, I used to be so loud with a mic in front, and there were so many people on my comments saying, "Why are you shouting?"
No, that's
And
what.
I'm like, this is me, this is how I speak, and I cannot help that. So I think I get what you're saying, and I think over time, people get used to this. Like,
Maybe they used to or not. Your personality, my personality is different. You're talking like this. We are not doing some business and all, yeah. We are just showing whatever we are doing. You have to be very frank and all. And next thing I want to tell you, when the aged, like Indian mothers and all, they won't take care about themselves. They are always, even I am also like that only that time. I'm telling, I'm not denying that. कि भाई मैंने कुछ नहीं किया ऐसे सब कुछ था. Why I stopped my so many other works and all, because you have to take care about your kids. I have 4 daughters, so education, and they have to stand themselves. That is very important for me. All the girls or boys, whoever it may be, at least education, graduation should be there. After that, and how much money you have, I don't care. I'm telling. Whether you're right or wrong, you people can tell me that. I'm right. This is in your body, that education, whatever. Tomorrow you have one certificate. What can, कुछ भी हो सकता है. कभी कुछ tsunami आ गया, कभी cyclone आ गया, whatever it may be happen, you have your education that nobody can take
away. Right. From you that.
I feel that one, that is very, very important for me. So I told my children also, so I used to be concentration in there. And next point I want to tell you, because before and all, I don't know cycling, I don't know driving, I don't know swimming, I don't know. Somebody is coming in that, becoming a modern. So everybody will come and ask, can you sing?
Yes.
Can you drive? Can you cycle? Everything I used to tell, no. Then I feel very bad. Why? Because that time, we can't even afford. I'm telling very frankly. The parents used to no encouragement ki bhai aap ye seek lo, go and learn this thing. They never, why you want to become an Lata Mangeshkar? You want to become an P. Susila? Before itself. When you're not starting itself, they will tell you like this. And something you want to become a dancer like this? No, in our family, nobody will do that. Arey, your family is not doing, I'm I'm interested like that. But nowadays, it's not there. Everybody will say whatever they want to go, they want to learn, they can, they'll do that. I'll appreciate for everybody. That is very good. So whatever you want that time, very difficult for us. Whether we can do it in mother-in-law, father-in-law, mother, father, and some auntie, uncles, I don't know. They will come inside. They will come inside. Why Aruna is doing this? Why she's doing that and all? Hey, don't even care about that. Yeah, this is your life.
True.
You take care about your children, everything is over now. You can take you don't even think you have become a 50, 40, 30, whatever you all the time young only. Whatever you want, you can enjoy, you can do it. Now, I will go wherever I love the dance and all. I'll go and do dance and all. Because I love, the people are thinking, oh, she's become like this, she don't know this step. Don't know, you please tell me, you teach me, I will learn. I'm not telling that I'm not a perfect dancer, a perfect English speaker, perfect Telugu, none. I'm only like simple, like this only. Sorry.
And also, I think I've said this so many times, Aruna ji, you're so natural, so confident on camera. And I think a lot of people will benefit from what you have to share in terms of what are the 3 things that you do before a shot is ready, before someone is taking a reel of yours. What are the 3 things or 3 tips that you can give people to be confident and natural on camera and not think too much about how they look or how they speak? So, what are those top 3 things?
First thing is you must be confident.
Right.
No problem. Oh, spelling bhi nahi aa raha, no problem. English ठीक भी नहीं आ रहा, no problem. Because they can understand. We are not like one, what do you say that, वो क्या बोलते, robot नहीं है कि भी उन्होंने ये सिखा के गया, ये रखो. एंड सेकेंड थिंग, मैंने कभी कोई भी स्क्रिप्ट वगैरह रेडी नहीं किया अभी तक. टिल टुडे आई डोंट नो कौन सा किधर जा रहे, क्या कर रहे, उधर ही जाके जो भी मेरा मन में आता, जो नेचुरल है, जो सच है, मैं बोल के मैं खत्म कर देती
तो
हूँ.
आप कोई भी स्क्रिप्ट नहीं लिखते हो, कोई भी
अभी
रील का
तक
स्क्रिप्ट
कुछ
नहीं
भी
है?
नहीं है मेरे पास. आप देख लीजिए मेरे वीडियोस पूरा देखो, कहीं पे भी स्क्रिप्ट है नहीं तो मैंने पढ़ी हूँ, कुछ भी नहीं है. जो भी अभी भी आपने देखा, आपने जो पूछ रहे मैं बोल रही हूँ,
करेक्ट.
जो सच है, जो है मन का है, वही है. अदर देन दैट नथिंग. आई डोंट हैव एनी स्क्रिप्ट एंड ऑल. एंड सेकेंडरी थिंग, डोंट थिंक परफेक्शन ऑल द टाइम.
ट्रू.
आई एम राइट. और कभी फुलका फूलता है, कभी नहीं फूलता है. मैं तो आई वॉन्ट टू शो दो नहीं फूला वाला. Because don't give इसके बात के लिए don't go for that. It won't happen. This is a natural. What is the behind the scenes? What will happen? That only people knows. Then only they will cool down.
Right.
Should not think like I'm Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Yeah, something. I'm right or wrong? You tell me. If I am thinking like that, I can't do anything.
Don't be too conscious about yourself.
सो कॉन्शियस रहे कि दिस परफेक्शन ऐसे आना, मैं ऐसे बात करे तो मेरा प्रोनाउंसिएशन ऐसा होता है. नो, प्लीज लीव ऑल दैट. बी नेचुरल. वॉट एवर इट्स कमिंग, that you have to take it. I feel that one only. And creativity is what you are explain, what you want to show, that is very important. Neither कि ये फ्लावर ऐसा है तो ये बीच में आना चाहिए, साइड में नहीं जाना चाहिए. बच्चे बोलते मम्मा ऐसा है, मैं बोलती कोई बात नहीं यार, मुझे फेस नहीं दिखाना, नो प्रॉब्लम, ऐसे ही डाल दो. वॉइस आ गया ना, द पीपल कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि भाई ये ग्लास है, ग्लास के अंदर फ्लावर है. दैट्स ऑल. दैट ओनली इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर मी. ये जर्मन से आया, ये इधर से आया, उधर से आया, कुछ भी नहीं है. आई डोंट वांट टू शो ऑल दैट थिंग्स ऑल्सो, बिकॉज लाइफ इज़ वेरी, मैं क्या बोलूँ, nowadays it's very very difficult to understand, and the people are not telling. The parents also, we have to explain them प्रॉपरली कि भाई बेटा हमारे पास इतना ही पैसा है, इसके अंदर ही हम जाना चाहिए. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. द चिल्ड्रन विल अंडरस्टैंड लेटर. आई यूज टू वॉट एवर आई हैव, आई यूज टू in my family, all of them used to sit and we used to discuss all that. Beta itna hi paisa hai, we have to go only by cycle, otherwise by bike, walking, otherwise cycle or bus only we can maintain. Okay, other than that we don't have. Don't even think, don't even imagine like Shah Rukh Khan, Amitabh Bachchan ji. Don't, please. We are like this family only. Whatever God is given, we are not begging anywhere and we have sufficient money. Be happy with this. Always. Don't compare. In this, actually, in the Instagram, I saw only comparing with all. Oh my God, इन्होंने बहुत अच्छा कर दिया तो मैं क्या करूँ. मैं सोचती ठीक है यार, मेरे ये अच्छा ही हो गया ना, ये ठीक है, मैं कुछ बोल पा रही हूँ, तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. So this is very important, I will feel. And next is always you have to be, consistency very important. That I feel. मेरे को नहीं पता, लेकिन आप बोलो, मैं लर्न करे सो ये थोड़े दिन में 2-3 सालों में, जिस तब से मैं इंस्टाग्राम में आई हूँ, मैं यही लर्न करी. मैं बच्चों को भी ये बोलती, कंसिस्टेंसी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सिंसियरिटी एंड कंसिस्टेंसी. भाई मैं ये कर रही हूँ. एंड डोंट इन्फ्लुएंस बाय अदर पीपल कि वो बहुत बड़ा हो गया, उसका 10 मिलियन है, इसका मेरा 2 भी है, ठीक है, वो ओके चल रहा है, ओके नो प्रॉब्लम.
Right. Don't compare because you might be on chapter 1 and they might be on chapter 14. तो अब अपना chapter उनके chapter के साथ you can't just compare like that, right? True.
लेकिन हम इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं. वन थिंग आई एम टेलिंग, ऑलवेज इम्प्रूव समथिंग. यू आर कि मैंने कुछ मिस्टेक कर रहा, बच्चे बोलते मम्मा ये आप ना ऐसे बात करे थे, दिस इज नॉट इवन राइट. मैंने बोले व्हाट टू डू इफ आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई विल डू. यू टेल मी ना, आई हैव कॉन्फिडेंट, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल द पीपल. सपोज इधर मिस हो गया होगा पुराना, आई विल टेल देम अरे बाबा मुझे नहीं आ रहा है ये वाला, अभी इधर कैमरा ऑन होने के बाद में ये वर्ड ही नहीं आता. समटाइम्स इट स्टक्स, इट वोंट कम ओनली. व्हाट टू डू टेल मी, आई कांट इवन शूट फॉर दैट सो लॉन्ग अगेन नेक्स्ट शॉट बिकॉज माई डॉटर इज बिजी, शी ओनली शूट. वो डॉक्टर है, उसको उधर भी काम देखना पड़ता है, तो इट नॉट पॉसिबल. ओके हो गया ना, हाँ छोड़ दो बस, ओके नो प्रॉब्लम. टेक इट ईजी, मेनली वेरी ईजी, टेक इट ईजी. डोंट कि भाई उसी के ऊपर तुम ट्रस्ट लेके अपना फील करते हुए रोते हुए ऐसे मत करके हाँ रहने दो. ओके.
Okay. And also, I had this one question in the back of my mind. Abhi, Instagram is so flooded. Matlab, thousands of people who are making fashion content, thousands of people who are making cooking content, so many cooking tutorials, recipes, so many cooks, so many chefs, so many recipe makers. There are so many of them. But how do you stand out? What makes you different, like your signature style? And how are you different from everybody else? And what tips would you give someone who's going to create content to set their own signature style? How can they stand out, basically?
मैं सोचती हूँ देखो कुकिंग तो सब लोगों का ये क्यों होता है यार, टमाटर प्याज और हरी मिर्ची. ओके आई एम राइट और रॉन्ग, ओके बट योर स्टाइल इज डिफरेंट. आई लाइक टू कि भाई मैं यंगस्टर्स के लिए उनको चावल बनाना नहीं आता, दाल का कलश नहीं पता है, दाल नहीं पता है. मैं उन लोगों के लिए नहीं बोल रही, मुझे भी नहीं पता था. तो उसके बाद में देन ओनली आई लर्न ऑल दैट थिंग्स. भाई नहीं अभी टाइम हो गया तुम्हारा, तो यू हैव टू लर्न ऑल दिस थिंग्स बिकॉज दिस इज ओनली इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर योर लाइफ.
Correct.
वो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट होता है कि ये क्या है, ये क्या नहीं है, ये क्या है. देन नेक्स्ट थिंग क्रिएटर्स को मैं यही बोलती हूँ, जो कुछ भी आप कर रहे हो आपके बलबूते पे करो, है ना. अरुणा ऐसे करिए, हाय गुड मॉर्निंग या बोल के बोल रही हूँ मैं. मेरे बच्चे तो वो सुन के बोले, स्क्रॉल कर दिए उन्होंने, बोला प्लीज डोंट से व्हाट इज दैट गुड मॉर्निंग या what is that, you please leave this. I said why you want to worry, just post it like that only. If people doesn't like, मैं छोड़ दूंगी मैं. I said if they don't like, really they don't like, okay no problem, उसके अंदर गलती भी नहीं. नेक्स्ट और एक बात भी मैंने पूछा, then I asked my daughter, this is not their page, no, this is my page, this is my life, I am putting, if you want to watch, watch it, otherwise I am not forcing you.
Correct.
You tell me now. I'm forcing you whether watch this one. I'm telling good morning and good night, good day, whatever it may be. So that is not big deal, Ria. Please understand this one. Just you post once. If it's not work out, then I'll see later. But only one thing, somebody somewhere I'm going, I'm telling something else. They are not accepting. Then okay, I will agree with you. Because that is your place. That is your thing. That is your auditorium. I am coming, I am commenting and all. Then it's not worth it. This is my page. This is my thing. Then okay, chalta hai.
So, what was the response when you started creating reels with the first line? What was the response of people?
Everybody, they like, the positiveness and naturality. Then everybody will say that the good morning, yeah. And everybody used to tell me the good morning, yeah means Aruna only. Then I feel so happy. Oh God, okay.
Can you say it once again?
Hi, good morning, yeah. Come on.
So good. So good. Amazing, amazing. And so this is your signature style to directly start. You don't put too much of your time in strategy या ये hook use करना है. This is what you have to do. This is how you have to start. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं.
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, जो भी है. नेक्स्ट वन थिंग आई वांट टू टेल यू, क्योंकि आजकल के जनरेशन इज़ वेरी फास्ट लाइक दिस. ऐसे हो तो खाना बनाना चाहिए. तो मैं भी वो भी देखते रहती हूँ कि भाई मेरे मम्मी ने कैसे, मैंने किसी का भी, मुझे पहले तो यूट्यूब नहीं मालूम था कुछ भी, अभी भी मैं नहीं ज़्यादा देखती हूँ. कहीं पे भी मैं स्क्रॉल करते समय अच्छा है तो मैं उनको क्रिएट करती हूँ, उनको मैसेज भी करती हूँ. फिर मैं सोचती हूँ, मैं मेरे बेटी से बात करती हूँ, बेटा इनका अपन लोग ले सकते हैं, इनका अच्छा था, आई विल ट्राई, इट्स वर्किंग, डेफिनेटली विल पोस्ट लाइक दैट. And immediately I'll post the same person. This is only introduced. I tried this one. It's working out very well. You people can try. But I'm telling you, my God, in the Instagram, my hair is white. Okay, color. I'm telling color. So I thought naturally I want to give some tip to my everybody, not only my followers. For everyone, I want to tell you, yaar, don't use this one. This is not even working out. मैं आज तक एक भी नहीं देखी हूँ, मेरा बाल उड़ गए. एवरीबडी somebody will come, they say कि वो garlic use करो, and some come something they will tell, nothing is working out. And I don't know why so much time waste. All nowadays nobody is having that much of time to do all this work. I feel so, मैं क्या बोलूं? I can't even tell you. But one thing I will always say that whenever you people are posting something useful and that is it's working out, then only you post it. Otherwise, I don't want only.
Something you have experimented with so that you're not doing what everybody else is doing. सब garlic बोल रहे हैं तो आप garlic कर रहे हो, ऐसा नहीं होना
No,
चाहिए.
no,
You
no.
do what comes
What?
naturally
Yeah,
to you.
comes natural. Now I'm telling you know, just I want to post now a small thing कि बच्चे nowadays in the hostels में रह रहे हैं, पढ़ने के लिए दूसरा जगह, उनको time भी नहीं रहता. Honestly, I'm telling, time नहीं रहता. When they have lot of work, they have pressure, पढ़ने का, going, coming back and all. So I want to put very small patches, you know, like what you drumstick one, moringa, that sabji, something healthy and quick. They can make it and they eat. And one thing is very very important, at least one meal घर का रहे तो अच्छा रहता. लेकिन nowadays I'm watching for everyone, it's very difficult. Very difficult, I can't even tell you that.
Aruna ji, a lot of deep talk so far, but now let's jump into some fun.
Okay.
Putting you on the hot seat, and we are going to do a segment called Real Talk in 90 seconds.
Okay.
So, what I will do is I will ask you a question. You have to reply with the first thing that you think. No overthinking, no taking too much time, just your gut instinct, whatever comes naturally to you, right? Are we ready?
I'm ready. Yes.
So, one reel of yours that surprised you by going viral. You thought it's not going to go viral, but it did.
That is Jamun one. Yeah.
If you could collaborate with any one celebrity or creator, who would it be?
Neena Gupta.
Okay, lovely choice. And your daughter runs your Instagram page. So, who wins the arguments, you or her?
I'm not me. She only all the time. Pad, she will do. And she only all the time.
Okay. And what's your favorite part about being a creator? What do you love the most about being an influencer?
What? Influence something I'm teaching, yeah, something I'm telling the people.
Right.
So
And one dish that you have cooked the most for your family, something they love.
they love, my God, biryani and chicken fry. They love.
Okay. And how long does it take you to shoot one reel?
One reel within 1 minute, 5 minutes, we finish off. That's all.
So, no retakes.
Mostly sometimes it will happen because they will tell you your pronunciation is very bad. You didn't even pronounce properly. That's true. I will agree with you. I'm because you know sometimes when the not camera, that it will on sometime pronunciation it won't come. I'll say okay, leave it here like that.
And what's one behind the scenes thing about your content or your page that people don't know?
Because we don't have light, we don't have big camera, we don't have so many people to do this. Only me and my daughters, that's all. And now only we are trying to do because she's very busy after she married. That's
And what is one blooper moment from your reel shoots that you still laugh at? What's one funny thing that has happened before?
so many things I told, you know, mostly my daughters, they will rectify my spelling mistakes, you know, words you didn't even pronounce like this. Something they will tell, then I pronounce beetroot, it's not coming, bidudu. Then just I leave this thing, everything, just I'm laughing, oh my God, it's not coming. Even though the gooseberry, you know, sometimes I want to tell gooseberry, it's not coming in English. Actually, amla, I'm telling, I'm not getting the gooseberry, everything is okay. But I stuck there only. So that is so embarrassing.
And what's one recipe that you will never post on Instagram because it's very special to you?
Actually, not like that, yeah, because everything I want to sharing actually. Yeah, I want to share and I want to tell you because we didn't even learn so many things they won't tell. So I want to open mind this thing, everything.
And what's harder, Is it cooking or is it shooting a reel? What is the hard job?
Hard job is shooting only, not cooking. Cooking means whenever you can switch off gas and no problem also. But shooting is always hard only. That's
Thank you so much to do this here, Arunaji. I'm so happy to have hosted you. Your energy is contagious, and I feel positive for the day and probably for the month as well. So, thank you so much. It was my honor to host you on this podcast, and I'm sure everybody is going to see another side of your energy and your story as well. Thank you again.
I'm also thank you so much for everyone and for you especially. Really, at least I can expose my what is my inner feelings, whatever you ask. Also, really, I'm grateful. Thank you so much and good morning.
Once more, one last time.
Hi, good morning. Yeah.
Awesome. I can't get enough of it. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Thank
much
you.
for everyone.